Hi guys, this is Shelly from Sealebia. Today I am so excited to introduce an amazing product, 1500 parts disposable vape. Let's take it out of the package. The product has compact square shape, streamlined zigzag, touchless baking varnish on the surface, ergonomic mouthpiece. It contains 5 ml e-liquid, able to deliver about 1500 parts. I can wait to try it. Wow, it is definitely delicious. When you inhale, the sweetness touch your tongue, then the juicy fruit can satisfy your thirst. This disposable vape is sure to satisfy your palate and vaping cravings. Do you want to try this awesome product? Then come and contact us. Bye bye.